Okay, good morning class. My name is Ibrahim and I'm going to be teaching you guys biology. And the topic for today is classification of living things. Now, from the word classification of living things, there are so many things we must know about. So many things. There are so many organisms we must know about. So many, from the simple one to the complex one. This was how organisms are being classified. But before anything started, there was this particular man, the Greek philosopher, which we call Aristotle. What did I say? Aristotle. Aristotle was the first to say that Aristotle was the first person to say that organism is divided. Living things divided into plants and animal. Aristotle was the first. Aristotle was the first to say that what? Living things is classified into what and what? Plant and what? Animal. But now, Aristotle made some errors. Because if you look at it, organisms are so much. Abi? How can you say a virus is an animal? Is that correct? How can you say a fungi, which is a mushroom, is an animal? How can you say a bryophyte is a true plant? You get? All those stuff. How can you compare human beings with fishes? They are different stuff. We have different characteristics. So that was why this Aristotle definition of classification of living things is not being used. So a particular man came about. There was this man. We call him Carolus. Carolus what? Linus. Some textbooks, we call him Linus. Please don't forget the spelling. It's either Carolus Linus or Linus. They are both same thing. Now, this man, this Carolus Linus, was not the one that said that what? Organisms is divided into plant and animal. Yes. But later on, this particular definition too was also faulted. But he said a particular thing. You're right. Carolus Linus is the father of modern classification. Carolus Linus is the father of modern classification. Is the father of modern classification. He divided organisms based on the following. We have, look up please, look up. We have the what? The kingdom, the phylum, or what? Division. Now class, you know I told you that Carolus Linus continued from where Aristotle stopped. Have you know? Aristotle stopped at what? Plants and what? Animals. Carolus Linus continued by saying what? I will divide plants and animals into other things, which is what? The kingdom, which is the plants and animal kingdom, the phylum or the division. You get? But now, he used these two words, phylum or division. There are two different words. Phylum is used for animal. While division is used for what? Plants. Are you with me? Because he said that what? Organisms are only what? Plants and animal, based on what Aristotle was saying then. Then he continued. After the kingdom, we have the phylum. After the phylum, what do we have? Class. I mean, after the class, we have the what? Order. After the order, we have the what? The family. After the family, we have the what? The genus. After the genus, we have the what? Species. Thank you.